The numbers are the output of good people. That's bottom line. You can grind things down and get good numbers for a very short period of time by just killing people, and you will be very successful for a very short period of time, but then you hit the wall. So you have to go back. If you're in a big organization, multi-sites, multi-countries around the world, you have to step back and say, ask yourself the question, if you are the leader of this organization, ask yourself, who are we and what are our core values? And are we sure everybody really understands that? How do we know that? If we can't answer any of those questions, then we need to go back and start working to develop that. And it does take time, takes effort, but like any good investment, it'll really manifest itself at the end. You will have a culture and an organization that may be good, but if you do that, it goes to great. And you can go from great to extraordinary, where people don't want to leave your organization. They feel that they're part of a unit. They feel at home. So if I feel like I am at home and I'm part of something that's bigger than just me, and I'm an integral part of it, I'm a key player in that, no matter what I do. If someone came by and said, you know what, Troy, we want to offer you $10,000 more a year to come work for us, I'm going to look at it and say, you know, money is not motivating me. Being here, I'm happy. There, yeah, I get more money, but you're not the organization that I'm working in, so I'm going to stay here. And people are shocked and amazed at that concept, that people really want to be part of the tribe. They want to be part of the unit. They want to be part of a group in which they are fundamentally ingrained in it, and that culture is ingrained in them. That is, you can be wildly successful with that philosophy.